What would you do if you dropped off your healthy baby to daycare, but hours later your child ends up in the ICU? Now, this was supposed to be an office day for me, but it looks like I'm gonna have to take me and my broke ankle either up to the police station, the news station, or the courthouse, and I'm not sure which one first. At least I'll be cute when I start kicking ass. And the sad thing is that this could have been 100% avoided. And you guys know I'm a personal injury and a family law attorney, and this is one of the cases where they cross over. They're now my client twice in two different practice areas. Originally, I was hired for a custody case, and the sad part about it is we argued about the daycare at a temporary order hearing. My client wanted to have the exclusive right to choose the child's daycare, and so did the other parent. And the court, of course, doesn't want the child at two different daycares, so they had to pick one parent. We put on our best evidence because, I'm crafty. I went and pulled every citation that the daycare that the other parent wanted the child to go to and presented it to the court. If you don't know, if you have a child of daycare age, you can go to childcare.hhs.texas.gov and pull all of the reports. Now, the daycare my client wanted, no citations within the last year. The daycare they wanted, when I was printing it out, preparing for court, I had to replace my ink cartridges. That's how much printing I was doing with those citations. Now look, I'm not saying Lauren's always right, but Lauren's always right. So ultimately, the court decided that the child would go to the other daycare because of the location and how convenient it would have been. And now look, so this child was dropped off to daycare, healthy, bouncing baby, but now is in ICU fighting for his life. And what did the daycare do? I'm so glad you asked. They gave this baby another baby's medication. Well, now I have double the work because, of course, now I've been hired in a personal injury case on behalf of this child. So now we have the personal injury matter over here, but this custody matter isn't over. And I need the judge to know you got it wrong. And that mistake, well, it might cost this child his life. When people ask me which area of law is more challenging, either my family law cases or my personal injury cases, honestly, they're both wild. But I have to give it to family law, only because it's the nature of the beast. I'm dealing with people's children, people's marriages, people's money. When people are injured, that's pretty bad too, but it's something about children and money. Children and money. One thing I am curious about though is how many attorneys actually watch me, because one of them walked up to me in the courthouse the other day and it just shocked me that attorneys watch me. I see enough of y'all. I definitely don't watch y'all on social media too. Well, if you do follow me and you watch my content, let me know. But darling, you won't have to just see me across the screen soon, because I will be at the Excellence Lawyers Retreat in Miami, and I want to know who else is going too. And darling, I will be there in my rarest form. I will be in full bloom because I am also presenting. I will be giving you guys all of my little secrets. And I don't want to leave my followers out either. So while I'm in town, I don't know, maybe I'll schedule like a little meet and greet with my followers. Let me know what you guys think about that. But if you are an attorney and you want more information about the conference, I'll tag the page in the comments. It'll be pinned at the top. But if you're an attorney, it doesn't matter if you're a baby lawyer fresh off the bar exam, or if you've been practicing 20 years, if you want to strengthen your trial skills, or maybe get into legal content and marketing, or just want to come network, this is the place to be Labor Day weekend. Also, my press on nail girlies, we are doing our Bye July sale, so definitely head on over. The website is here on the screen. And don't forget, $5 clearance nails, y'all. I need them gone. We have a huge launch coming in August. I need these nails gone. Enjoy. And of course, I'm going to give you a secret coupon code for staying to the end of this video. And it's going to be in honor of this poor child in ICU because so many people have failed him. So the coupon code is going to be ISE for I'm suing everybody. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about this daycare debacle. And let me know if you're going to be in Miami. And I will always see you in the next one.